what TED can do for a lot of people who are not familiar with it, it's the higher time frame levels. Look at this level here, it measures into a month, and look at the start of this line here, it started from here. That means that it is measuring into this downward movement here, and it says that this is a resistance level. RES is a resistance level. The fact that right now when oil is trading above this level, 86.67, then on the month-to-month basis, it is strong. It says that by trading above 86.67, then this consolidation pattern that we are seeing here would have ended if it closed above. What TED says is that as long as it can stay above this level, 93.42, then the new uptrend, the new clue, the new possibility of an up move, it's going to be true. However, if it does not stay above 93.42, then that newly established up move is not going to be true. And we saw that, for example, 95 was that key level that we've seen here, and 93.42 is what TED is predicting right now. The indications would say that the market is relieved. I think it's the price of oil. As long as we see that oil is falling lower, then perhaps the only one risk factor that we have here, which is the Iran war, is not going to be present because oil is not going up. So hence, Iran war has no impact on the market, and the stock market has no risk anymore in that case. We do have a signal here for oil on the bullish signal that happens around here, which I covered. That was pretty much happened here, and that's from the head and shoulder pattern, and there was a bullish signal, and then we can be following the signal here. Of course, then price reacted very much to the 93 level. So in other words, if price doesn't stay above the 93 level, then it means that the support of oil, it's breaking and is no longer that bullish on oil. In other words, it might give us a little bit of a clue of how the market is viewing the Iran war. Just very quickly to show you what TED did earlier. So we had a bullish signal. In fact, that we had various signals pointing each time at the low. That the last signal was this one here, which was a bullish signal. What it did was that because price closed above the whole cluster of a resistance here, and that was where it signified the end of this consolidation. So we are not entering into the consolidation because consolidation is a period where it becomes very difficult to trade. It's important is that with here, then that's why we gotten a little bit more bullish in oil when it moves up and retraces back here, and that's where it retraces to a set of a strong resistance that's being broken. Were we able to predict oil is going up? I don't think so, but what TED gave us was a clue that this whole consolidation has broken. But what we need to monitor right now is this level here, which is a 93 level.